Do you think they're attacking?
Shh. I don't know. I'm recording it though. Is that like a... Wow.
That's so beautiful.
A transformer going off or something?
I don't know. Dad, it's shaking the whole ground. How's that transformer?
Look, you see how it turns the sky like red?
Mm-hmm. There's smoke coming from it, yeah.
What is that?
Happy 12.
What was it that just came up? It was like a flame.
That area?
Yeah. Like not really a flame, but I don't know what it was.
What do you guys think's happening?
I don't see it no more.
But you could hear it.
It was even louder than before. Remember when we first heard it?
Yeah, it was like it's not. We thought it was the heater again.
What do you guys think's happening?
I have no clue.
I'm just guess.
It sounds like a war over there. That's what it sounds like to me.